Hey everyone, happy Earth Day. Now, you might be wondering what the fashion industry has to do with climate change and the environment. And the answer is a lot. Fashion production takes up 10% of global carbon emissions. Every second, one garbage truck of clothing is dumped in a landfill or burned, and around 20% of wastewater pollution is from, you guessed it, the fashion industry. So here are just two things that you can do to make your wardrobe better for the planet. Number one, stop buying fast fashion. These pieces are largely made of plastic and they last about 3 to 4 wears and washes before they're heading to the landfill, which is the last thing that we want. Fast fashion brands have horrible standards when it comes to the environment and garment worker rights. Instead, shop secondhand or vintage pieces to keep those things out of the landfill, or buy high quality pieces made by sustainable brands that will truly last in your wardrobe. Number two, buy less, wear longer. Did you know that extending the life of the pieces that are already in your closet by 9 months, just 9 months, would reduce waste, water, and carbon footprints by up to 30% each? This looks like mending and repairing clothing that is already in your closet to give it a second life. It means really asking yourself if you need something before you buy it, and it means buying something that is sustainable and high quality when you do. And another little tip, stop putting your clothes in the dryer. Instead, hang or lay flat to dry, because air drying is way better for your clothes than the dryer, which breaks down the fibers of your clothing very quickly. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your top tips for helping create a more sustainable wardrobe? Let's continue the conversation in the comments. And remember, today and every day, there is no planet B.